Today we are going to talk about multiplying polynomials. Let's review how exponents work, and remember the letters we use in algebra, they are just unknown numbers. 2 to the third power. So in this case the base, which is 2, is raised to the third power. So that's 2 times 2 times 2. Similarly, x raised to the third power, that would mean x is multiplied to itself 3 times. So that's x times x times x. What if we have x squared multiplied to x cubed? So x squared multiplied to the x cubed. That would be, since we have the same base, we can just add the exponents. So that's x to the 2 plus 3 equal x to the 5th power. So the x squared is x times x, and then the x cubed is x times x times x. So that's x is multiplied to itself 5 times, so x to the 5th power. So this is the quicker way, basically, by adding the exponents if we have the same base. What if we have x cubed raised to the second power? When we have power raised to another power, we just multiplied those exponents. So in this case, it would be x to the 3 times 2. So that's x to the 6th power. So in this case, x cubed is raised to the 2nd power. So that's x cubed times x cubed. So that's x to the 3rd plus 3rd, and that's x to the 6th. So when we have power raised to another power, we just multiply those exponents. Let's try multiplying two terms. So 3x is multiplied to 4x. So in this case, we would multiply the numbers with numbers and letters with letters. So that's 3 times 4 times x times x. So that's 3 times 4, that's 12, and x times x, that's x to the 1 plus 1, which is 12 times x squared. Another useful property is distributive law. So when we have, let's try this example. So 3 times 2 plus 5, that's 3 times 2 plus 5 is 7, so that's 21. Or we can use the distributive property of multiplication. So that would be 3 multiplied by the first term plus 3 multiplied by the second term. So that's 3 times 2, that's 6. plus 3 times 5, that's 15, which is equal to 21. Similarly, if we have x multiplied to x squared plus 3, we can use the same property. So that would be x times the first term, which is x squared, plus x times the second term. So that's x to the 1 plus 2 plus x times 3. So that's x to the third power plus 3x. Let's try one more. X times negative x plus y plus 3. So that would be x times the first term, negative x times negative x, plus x times the second term, plus x times the third term. So that's positive times negative, so it's negative x to the 1 plus 1 plus, since these are two different bases, we cannot add the exponent, so that's just x times y, plus 3 times x is just 3x, so that's negative x square plus xy plus 3x. We would just put them in alphabetical order, so that would be negative x squared plus 3x plus xy. If you have any problems that you would like me to solve or have any comments or questions, post them down below. Also, don't forget to like this video, make sure you subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.